I'm going to start the next lesson number 16, weather and season. First of all, I'll give the introduction of this lesson, what we are going to learn. First thing is that is weather. First of all, we'll study what is meant by weather, that is the definition of weather, and which type of weather we can experience during sunny days, then cloudy days, windy days and rainy days. Okay, the next topic is seasons. Then what is meant by seasons and which types of seasons like summer, winter, rainy and also autumn and spring. This all topic will cover in this lesson. Now the first topic I'm going to start here, weather. Here how you feel today, like what is the weather today. Okay, you just try to find out the answer with yourself. First of all, we feel whatever in the morning or in the evening, we feel what? We feel cool, and also whatever in the afternoon we feel hot. Why? Okay, you may have such type of questions. Even why are winters too cold and this whatever the summer are too hot? Why? Such type of questions you may have, and I will try to give you some explanation for that. Okay, so actually what happened, this is whatever this mornings, then evenings, afternoon, summer and winter. Why this happens? Actually this is the revolution of earth around the sun which causes what? Changes in the weather and season. Okay, now in lesson number 15, that is our earth in space. Okay, that I already explained you how this earth revolves around the sun and how the weather or the seasons are going to change. Okay, who is responsible for that? The sun is most responsible for that. That is for changing in the weather and season. Okay, so here this first, that is the weather. So what is meant by weather then? This weather is the condition of air surrounding us. Okay, whatever the air is there in our surrounding, what us with respect to wind, then temperature and rain at a particular place or time. It may vary, the weather may vary from place to place, again time to time. So weather keeps on changing. It's not the same throughout the day. You must have seen that, or you can observe. So how is the weather today? So morning we feel what? How we feel? We feel very cool. Even evening we feel cool, and afternoon we feel what? We feel hot. So why this happens then? Whatever the sun rays are there, sun rays are slanting in the morning, and what happened in the afternoon? Whatever the sun rays are there, they are directly our overhead. Okay, so that's why this weather is not same throughout the day. It keeps on changing continuously. Now this weather affects on different factors. The first factor is the temperature. What is first factor is temperature. Now suppose the temperature is low, so we feel how we feel? We feel cool. Okay, and if the temperature is high, so we feel hot. So that weather depends on temperature. Now first factor is temperature. Okay, and second one is what? Moisture in the air. What? Moisture in the air. Okay, see, moisture means whatever the water vapor in there in a surrounding, that is the moisture. Now this weather also affect the moisture in the air. See, especially coastal regions like Mumbai. Okay, how we feel very humid. So what is that is the whatever the weather is there, that is a humid here, humid air, humid weather is there, that is a maximum humidity is there, that is the moisture moisture is there in the air, so we feel very humid. So whatever the coastal areas are there because of the sun, okay, because of the sun or oceans. Now the third factor is that the air pressure. Okay, so with the help of that air pressure, the whatever weather also going to change. And the fourth factor is this movement of the air or wind. Okay, so these four factors affect the weather. Okay, so these different weathers are there. We can experience different weather on sunny days, then windy days, cloudy days, and what again rainy days. Now I'm going to explain to you here this weather on sunny days. How is the sunny days? See here sunny days. What happened in the sunny days? Sunny days are cloudless. Cloudless means no clouds. Again it is a warm and bright. Okay, warm and bright. Now whatever the sun rays are there, especially mornings and evening sun rays, that time we feel cool. Okay, why? Because whatever the sun rays are there, the sun rays are slanting. Okay, slanting, and we feel cool. That means the whatever the sunlight, sun rays or sunlight is there, that is low in the morning and evening. That's why we feel cool. And in the afternoon, what happen? Afternoon, the sun or the sun rays are directly overhead. So whatever the sun rays are directly falls on the earth's surface. So that's why we feel hot during the afternoon. Okay, so that means during morning and evening we feel cool, and whatever this afternoon we feel hot. Okay, so here sunny days, what happens sunny days? More sunny days we can see, especially summer season. Okay, because summer season is temperature hot, and whatever the days are there, that days are warm days. Now next here, that is the windy days. Now, first of all, I will explain you how wind is formed. How wind is formed. Now, whatever wind is there, okay, whatever wind is there, who is responsible for that? Even sunny days also. What is most important? I already explained you for the earth is revolve around the sun. Okay, so with the help of that movement is called as revolution. I already showed you in the last period, that is lesson number 15, that is how the earth revolves around the sun, and it depends upon how much quantity of sun rays falls on the earth's surface, that is on the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This according to that, the quantity or the amount of sun rays facing on this earth's surface, that falls what? Summer and winter season, isn't it? So that I already showed on globe with the help of torch. That's how the north pole and the south pole forming what? Summer and winter season. Okay, the same way here, the sun is also plays an important role in blowing of wind. Okay, blowing of windy days or blowing of wind. Now, how the wind is formed? See here, student, this whatever the air is there, air gets heated up due to the heat of the sun. Okay, see here, whatever the, suppose this is the sun. Okay, now this whatever the air is there in the atmosphere, this air get heated up. Now this air, okay, this whatever the air is there, they heat it up and it become lighter. Okay, it become lighter and it rises up. This, whatever the air is there, it rises up, and here you can see now, suppose it is a water. Now whatever this cold air, okay, this cold air fill the space of this warm air. Okay, so that means cold air become heavier and it takes the space of this warm air, and this warm air become lighter and it rises up. Okay, so in this way this process is going on continuously, and this movement of this warm air and the cold air, it forms wind. Understood how the wind is formed? So that means whatever the warm air is there, it due to the heat of the sun, it gets what? It become lighter and it rises up. Okay, and here this, it take this, who take the space, that is the cold air take the space, and this movement is going on continuously, and in this way wind is formed. Okay, so then what is meant by wind? Wind, then moving air is called as wind. What is moving air is called as wind. There are two types of wind. The first one is breeze. What is? The first one is breeze and the second one is storm. Okay, now second one is storm. So what is meant by breeze then? Then gently moving wind is called as breeze. What is? Gently means smoothly. Okay, gently moving wind is called as what? Breeze, and fast moving wind is called as storm. Now, this storm, fast moving wind, is responsible for windy days. Okay, who is responsible for this fast moving air? That is a storm. Storm is responsible for windy days. Now, this, whatever the windy days are there, are the storm. Storm accompanied by what? Heavy rain, then also lightning and thunder. Lightning माहिती है वीज आता nowadays what is going sometimes morning is too cold, then afternoon is hot, even late evening we feel sometimes rainy, cloudy and all. So continuously weather is going to change. Okay, it is not stable throughout the day. So that means whatever the storm is there is accompanied by what? Lightning, thunderstorm, and also what? This thunderstorm, and also some type of this damage can cause this storm also. You must have seen that's what kind of damage can be formed with the help of a storm. Storm like trees, then buildings and houses falls down. Okay, so suppose heavy rainfall is there, so with the help of rainfall what happen? Flood may occur. So whatever these whatever the huts and houses, small houses especially, so it may carry washed out with the help of that floods. Even animals, okay, may die. So such type of damage can cause due to the storm. Okay, so today what we studied, first I given the introduction, then whatever afterwards this what is meant by weather. So different type of weather we are going to learn. So first we study sunny day. How is the weather in the sunny day? That is a cloudless, then also warm and bright. Then afterwards the windy days, how the wind is formed, who is responsible for the windy days. Okay, so what is meant by breeze and storm. Okay, so I'm going to give you difficult words and homework now. Okay, weather. Then how is the weather on sunny days and windy days? So based on that, I given here these difficult words and fill in the blanks. You read the lesson and find out the answer and complete in your notebook.